A solar eclipse begins when the moon moves directly between the sun and the earth. This celestial event is rare because the moon usually passes slightly above or below the sun-earth alignment. Because of this orbital tilt, we do not see a solar eclipse every single month as the moon orbits Earth. During an eclipse, the sun, moon, and Earth align in a straight line, creating a remarkable cosmic configuration. As the moon moves into position, it blocks the sun's intense light, casting a shadow onto the Earth. The darkest, central portion of this shadow is known as the Umbra, where the sun is completely obscured. Observers located within this narrow path of the Umbra experience the dramatic phenomenon of a total solar eclipse. Surrounding the Umbra is the lighter Penumbra, where viewers see a partial eclipse as the moon covers only part of the sunday. As totality arrives, the sky darkens rapidly, and the sun's brilliant surface vanishes behind the silhouette of the moon. In this brief moment, the sun's faint outer atmosphere, called the corona, emerges as a stunning, glowing halo. Totality is fleeting. It lasts only a short time before the moon continues its steady journey along its orbit. Sunlight returns, the shadows retreat, and daylight gradually returns.